Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. As we all know, October 2nd, 1869 is the birth date of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. This day is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti in India every year. United Nations General Assembly has marked his birth anniversary as the International Day of Non-Violence. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We call him as Bapuji. He took birth in the state of Gujarat in the town named Porbandar. Mahatma Gandhi was a man who gave his whole life to the nation. He was one of our greatest freedom fighters. Bapuji led many movements to bring the British flag down in the country. He played a key role in three major movements. They were the non-cooperation movement, Dandi March and the Quit India movement. He constantly promoted ahimsa and non-violence as a tool for the freedom struggle. His life is an inspiration for all people as his empathy for poor and lower caste people is absolutely unique. Throughout his life, Gandhi fearlessly fought for the rights and dignity of people. Few months after independence, Gandhiji was associated as 30th January 1948. Gandhiji was a man of simple living and high thinking. Let us celebrate this Gandhi Jayanti by remembering Bapuji's principle of peace and non-violence. Let's all be proud to be Indians.
लक्ष्य हमेशा बड़े रखो, लक्ष्य पर हमेशा चले चलो। संभव है इसमें बाधाएं भी आए, पर बाधाओं से लड़ते चलो। लक्ष्य हमेशा बड़ा रखो, कोई गरीब है तो कोई अमीर, पर सबकी अपनी अपनी तकदीर। हर मंजिल तुमको मिल जाएगी, गैर व्यर्थ पर बढ़े चलो। लक्ष्य हमेशा बड़े रखो, दौलत के लालच में न फंसना तुम, गलत राह पे न मुड़ना तुम। छू लोगे एक दिन पर्वत शिखर को भी, गैर पर्वत के सीने पर चढ़े चलो। लक्ष्य हमेशा बड़े रखो, लक्ष्य पर हमेशा चले चलो।
This is Gandhiji's birth anniversary. Because of his struggle for India's independence, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave him the name of Father of Nation. Also, sometimes we call him Bapu. In India, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October to pay a tribute to him. Not only in India, in fact in the whole world, but this day is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence. Every year, Gandhi Jayanti is feasted at Rajghat, Delhi, and our Prime Minister, along with President of India, gathers here to pay the tribute by offering flowers to his Samadhi. He fought for freedom of India from the British rule. It is because of him and another national freedom fighter, India got freedom from 200 years of slavery, along with Gandhi, Ji, and many more. They fought till the death has touched their feet and taken them to heaven. In the history of India, these national freedom fighters will always be remembered.
आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाएं झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।